I'll come in peace. They're running off. Carrot? Carrot? Yeah! He wants a carrot. Wanna try it? Mid-range. There you go, bro. Enjoy it. Yeah? Everything's fine. It's a little bit frozen, yes, sir. It's a little bit frozen, sir. Or ma'am. Try it out. Come on. Alright, here we have a standoff. Solodolo. Mr. Deer. Mano y mano, boy. What you gonna do? What you wanna do? What you wanna do, you beautiful creature? Trotting around. Looking beautiful. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Got a nice zoom here. Look at that. That's a majestic creature. Damn. He knows he's on camera. He knows he's about to be a star. He knows his 15 minutes of fame is coming. Smelling the grass. Yes. Blinded by the light. There's a squirrel. I wonder how squirrels interact with these dudes. Beauties. Beauties. Deer everywhere. Some deer there. Some deer there. Some deer there. Some deer there. They're cool. Now we don't want to spook them. We don't want to walk up near them. We just want to kind of keep walking along our path. A little bit alert. They see me. See my camera. Let's see what they're looking like with the flash on. Flash on. I'll make them clear. They're chilling there. They're not super scared. They're just a little bit startled. They're a little bit startled. But, you know, they're very close to being like, to chilling. I'm gonna give him a carrot. See if he wants this carrot. And throw it. Mr. Deer! There's a carrot. And now we see if he goes and takes the bait. If he enjoys it. Hello. Yep, to your left. Yep, you're close. You're very close, mister. Yep, you found it. What do you think? You like it? Not for you. Okay, I understand. I understand. We gotta research what these bad boys like. This one's like a bigger deer, you can see. He's coming in contact with a little smaller deer. This is like a teenage deer. This one here is like a baby deer. So you can see the difference right there in sizes. And as you can see, no, they have not taken the carrot. The carrot is still right here. And again, they're not dogs from what I can tell. What food would you like me to bring next time, Mr. Deer? Apples? Oh, he may be an apple man.